it's Creative Girl 211 here, and today I'm going to show you the Christmas presents I got that are AG Christmas presents. So yeah, the first thing I got was this adorable nightgown for AG, and it's really, really soft. And it has this cute little bow right here, and it has penguins and hearts and igloos and a seal. So yeah, it's really cute. And then I got this Samantha thing, and it's just a little decoration. I'm probably going to put it on my dresser. That's cute. Then I got this teddy bear, which I know it isn't AG, but it's just so cute. And my dad's boss gave it to me, and it has the plaid right there and the plaid trim, and then the plaid hood. Plaid hood, and it's really cute. And I opened it, and my mom's just like, hey, I bet the jacket would fit Ivy. And so I tried it on her, and it does, but it's cropped, so it comes the sleeves come to here, and then right here. So it's like a little sweater thingy. Okay, then I got Samantha, which I was so excited, because I really want another doll. And she is used. They got her from eBay, and she is so pretty. Well, I think this is Samantha. If you know who she is, comment below. I'm pretty sure she's Samantha, but I'm not positive. And she is in amazing condition. Her hair is perfect. Her face is perfect. Her body's perfect. And she is actually Pleasant Company. On the back of her neck it says Pleasant Company. I'm not going to show you. So instead of having the strings, it's just this plastic thingy that holds it, so it can't come undone, which I actually kind of like. But then I have this adorable dress that came with her, and it's retired from American Girl. I'm not sure what it's called. If you know, just comment below. And it's really pretty, and it came with this bracelet, and there's a magnet right there, but I can't really undo it with one hand. It's a cute little bracelet. And then it came with another one too, but this is just one of the flip-flops. And they're tan. It has this embroidery right here, and it has elastic, so it fits the dolls. So yeah, I am so excited. And I think I'm going to name her Abby, but yeah. So here are the two beds I have that my dad made. And my dad made the beds, and my mom sewed all the bedding and stuff. So first there's this bed, and it just has this pattern. And yeah, they have mattresses. They're just really squishy. And all those pillows, and then this one with all those pillows, this one and all those. There's a lot of pillows. And they both have flower things. And then if you reverse them, because they're reversible, it has that blue color. There's something there, pretty blue. And it has the blue on this side too. So yeah, and they're stackable. This goes into a hole under this, and so they're bunk beds. And they're wide enough so you can put two dolls on them perfectly. So yeah, that's everything I got for Christmas. That was AG stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.